updating and it just never finished. And at first I was really afraid that my Wi-Fi had gone out again, but obviously it didn't. Are you ready for it to be which Maga will be better again?
I'm not getting on. I'm in the middle of a match right now.
I was talking more to Meadow, but she ignored me.
Lovely armor for a mission, isn't it?
Sorry, I had to throw up.
Oh, is that what you were doing? Okay. I was wondering because I was really just
I
sitting
knew-
here being like, Meadow is
yeah.
swerving me right now.
I was getting I muted because I was gonna cough, and I was like, this isn't gonna be a cough, is it? And as soon as I coughed, phlegm, and then when I went to the toilet, everything else just came out.
Oh, they've got an Orisa.
Coming for ya.
Anna, yes you are.
Oh, where'd you go?
I had to retreat because I started going forward and then that soldier had really good aim. Bitch.
Oh, man. Oh, hi.
Hi.
Thank you for standing still.
Yeah. I mean, I like to stand still unless I'm in the middle of a fight. In which case, I obviously cannot stand still.
Which is fair.
That Tracer's going to get away. I'm going. Oh! Hello? Hello?
Yes!
Hello?
Hello.
I just... kicked...
Hello?
the fuck?
Mm-hmm.
Hello.
Yo.
How's your day, Nose? Did I ask that already? No, I did not. How's your day, Nose?
Interesting so far.
What'd you do today?
My game
I
is
made
broken!
some food and such.
Rocket barrage incoming. Heroes never die.
Can you guys
How's
hear
your
me?
game breaking? I can
Yeah,
hear
you
you
can.
now.
Okay. I mean, I just lagged out. Now everything is like, my characters are invisible and my... Am I still in the game?
Yes, somewhere.
I'm walking to you guys, I think, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Am I shooting right now?
Yes.
Okay, I have no character model and everybody is pixels for me, and also, I just watched my character die in third person, what the fuck?
Oh.
I'm gonna